The more you know, the better your business operates. That's why Evolving Solutions offers technical education sessions to our clients. Our industry-relevant or customized IT courses provide you with the expertise to keep your operation running smoothly and the edge to stay ahead of the competition. Train in our Hamel, Minnesota facility or at an alternative location, including your company's facilities. Offerings include technical briefing on storage virtualization, covering leveraged network storage connectivity, AIX, exploring micro-partitioning and virtual I/O's capabilities in the newest version of AIX, logical partitioning, achieve the proper balance of flexibility, isolation, and costs. Class covers scalability, isolation, and resource utilization in relation to a partition environment. Virtualization, beneficial for corporations with limited IT budgets. Virtualization allows you to borrow resources from idle servers and storage to boost speed and expand on-demand storage capacity. Explore options for your company today and possibilities for the future. High availability and clustering. We'll address benefits and properties of high availability and clustering, and you'll get expert advice on cluster feasibility based on your specific IT objectives and requirements. Tivoli Storage Manager, for IT managers with knowledge of TSM who want to learn more about advanced features and functions. Topics include Enterprise Administration, Virtual Volumes Overview, Tivoli Disaster Recovery Manager, Recovery Media Management, setup and customization of Disaster Recovery Manager, and the latest enhancements to TSM. For complete descriptions on all available courses or to register, click on the company link, then go to Education and Events.